at 12 and also 1. Daylight saving ends today. Time difference between Ghana and the USA is now 5 hours. Honestly, I don't really understand how this daylight savings thing works, but I just know it affects time. It's a Sunday and we're just having a chill day today. Filming.
When I wake up in the morning, love, and the sunlight hurts my eyes, and something without warning, love, bears heavy on my mind. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me. Just one thought of you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day. A lovely day.
I normally use this to clean around the house, like the walls, the stove, the countertops and everything. But this is not a real thing, like the actual thing, fantastic, is done. So I did my own little mixture in here. Should I share it? Or is it a secret? You tell me. Do you want to know the secret, like the things I mixed up in here? I'll think about it.
Bears heavy on my mind. Then I look at you, and the world's alright with me. Just one thought of you, and I know it's gonna be a lovely day. A lovely day.
I am very hungry. So I have some leftover rice and chicken, and I'm about to make fried rice. On commence. Yeah, I'm a French guru. Quel est ton plat favori? Mon plat favori est riz avec poulet. Riz and poulet is not my favorite food. My favorite food, as you already know, and if you're new to this channel, you probably don't know, is fufu with chicken rice soup. I was cleaning today and I randomly found these headphones. Oh my god, I miss them so much. Like for the longest, I didn't know where I placed them. I'm so happy. It's giving DJ Khani. DJ Khani. They're the Sony something. I really don't remember. I'll put it on the screen if I remember. Let's play some music. There's something about whatever, like it just puts you in whatever, like it puts you in some military mood, like yeah, like I'm about to fight, like don't play with me vibe, and I really love that. Put some kivo pepper inside. The level at which this pepper is spicy, pray for me. But I'll put plenty because I don't want it to be like super spicy, just moderate. But I love this pepper. It's My food is ready, but I just want to do the dishes now so that I'll be free and comfortably eat and watch my show without any distractions.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you.
I don't know how to manage long nails. Like, I don't know how to act. Like, how do I hold a pen? Well, that's me right now. Maybe me in the future will change. So I've been using this to wash my face for past, I think, 5 months now. Like, it's really working for me. I'm not a fan of switching skincare product like that because it scares me because it's my face. I don't want to just be switching things and using, like, I give it time. So this is the La Roche-Posay foaming cleanser, and this chipped soap is the Topicals and Faded Cleansing Bar. I use it almost every day to wash my face. So when I'm done with the La Roche-Posay, and I just use this to wash my face as well. But honestly, I don't know if this is working or not. So I'll be showering with this, the Olay with sea salt. Without further ado, I'm going to take a shower and I'll see you guys when I'm done. I just wanted to show you guys the products I'll be using in the shower. So right now, close your eyes. Bad child. I said close your eyes. I'm watching you. I'll tell your mother. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, we have a goal here. We're trying to grow here. So let me film the Q&A. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Alright, so sit down and wait for me. Don't go anywhere. I'm coming. So I got these dumplings from Costco a while back and I'm really excited to try it. I tried dumplings for the first time last year or last 2 years actually in Chinatown or K-Town with Marintia. She actually made me try dumplings for the first time and I really loved it. So when I saw this, I'm like, okay, let's try. So it has the chicken and the vegetable dumplings and it has the sauce included. You just put it in the microwave. So you place it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So I just took it from the microwave. It's been 2 minutes. This is what it's looking like. You can see all the steam all over it. I'll just put it down for some time. I'm also making beans stew. Will you eat some? You've forgotten who I am. I don't share food. The only thing I don't like about palm oil is the fact that it stains. Like, what? It stains pots. If you're washing it, it's annoying. Like, I never used to like palm nut soup. But lately, I'm kind of liking it because I had it recently and it was really good. It's really hot, so I'm just going to put it down to cool for some time. So I poured the sauce on the side. 10/10.
You have to believe, you have to be positive to try to change the things. Cristiano, you have to improve. They know more than you, they are more experienced than you, they pass through many bad moments.
Talk, let's have conversations in the dark. World is sleeping, I'm awake with you. With you. Watch movies that we both already seen. I ain't even looking at the screen, it's true. I got my eyes on you. And you say that you're not worthy and get hung up on your flaws. Well, in my eyes, you are perfect as you are. Yeah, I won't ever try to change you, change you. I will always want the same you, same you. Swear on everything I pray to that I won't break your heart. I'll be there when you get lonely, lonely. Keep the secrets that you told me, told me. And your love is all you owe me. That I won't break your heart. On Sunday mornings we sleep until noon. I can sleep forever next to you, next to you, and we.
What's the time now? What's my phone? Oh, it's 10:37. It's really cold outside. Oh my gosh, I hate the cold. Like, I can't believe winter is coming. This vlog is coming to an end. Thank you so much for sticking with me and spending my day with me. I really appreciate you and you making the time of your busy schedule to watch me. God bless you. Drop a comment, like it can be anything. It could be your favorite part of the video, what you liked about today's video, or it can be anything. I just want to chat with you. Just let's chat in the comment section. Expect videos every Sunday afternoon from moi, and I'll see you.
No sales de mi mente. Me fui de aquí solo para verte. Si tú te atreves a probar, yo también. Dame una señal. Lo quisiera.